And now the fourth of the four things, which, I mean, is mind-boggling. Remember, confessions led to Vinson being charged with 7 offenses, including murder. He was convicted for this robbery in 2013. Then in 2016, 3 years after, he was being tried for another one of the offenses, and there was another void there, and something totally different occurred in that other void there. In August 2016, a further prosecution for a different robbery was brought against the appellant on the basis of another alleged confession made by him during the same period from the 22nd to the 25th of July 2010. As in the trial with which we are concerned, the appellant's case was that he had been beaten and tortured, and a voir dire was conducted by the judge. On this occasion, this is in the second trial, the appellant was legally represented. No, he had a lawyer. Having heard the evidence, the judge rejected the prosecution's case that the confession had been voluntary. The judge's view was that the Crown had not established beyond a reasonable doubt that the record of interview and confession statement were given voluntarily.